Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling the Google Sheets API and creating OAuth credentials. Make sure you download the JSON key. Once done, install a WordPress integration plugin or plan a custom REST endpoint. This defines how data moves. Next, share the spreadsheet with the service account email or set an appropriate permission level. This is why the API can read and write. Finally, keep your client ID and secret handy, because you will authorize WordPress in the next step. Now you authorize WordPress to access the sheet via the plugin's OAuth flow or by entering the service account key into settings. This is how WordPress gains permission. Once authorized, map Google Sheet columns to WordPress fields, title, content, custom fields, and taxonomies, because correct mapping prevents data errors. Then configure triggers. Run a one-time import, set a scheduled cron sync, or use webhooks for near real-time updates. Choose the cadence that matches your site's traffic and latency needs. Finish by running a controlled test. Import a single row and verify the resulting post, page, or custom field so you confirm format and mapping. Once satisfied, enable logging and monitor API quota and cron execution to prevent silent failures. These logs tell you why a sync failed. If something goes wrong, refresh OAuth tokens, reshare the sheet with the service account, or increase plugin timeouts. These quick fixes resolve most permission and timeout issues, keeping syncs reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.